Shandong Shenhu Compressor Company Limited was established in 2010 and is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province. Since its establishment, the company has consistently adhered to its core philosophy of harnessing technology as our means to drive innovation and force excellence, dedicating itself to advancing industry progress and pioneering product innovation. Divine Tiger Air Compressor not only dominates the domestic market, but also set a global industry benchmark, emerging as a paradigm of high efficiency and energy conservation. Step into the production workshop of Divine Tiger Air Compressor, where state-of-the-art precision equipment operates with seamless efficiency. Every step of the manufacturing process is meticulously monitored under a strict quality control system, ensuring flawless execution at each stage. Powered by cutting-edge technology, Divine Tiger Air Compressors deliver high-efficiency, ultra-reliable performance. Whether for industrial manufacturing or energy extraction, they rise to the challenge with unmatched durability, proven to be the trusted choice across industries. Divine Tiger Air Compressors, where craftsmanship meets innovation and technology powers the future. Divine Tiger Air Compressors strictly adhered to international quality standards. The computer numerical control machining centers craft each component with micron-level precision, from core parts like the rotor to the housing and valves. Every detail is meticulously refined to ensure each product meets the highest quality requirements. Divine Tiger Air Compressors are equipped with intelligent control systems that continuously monitor operational status, ensuring each unit operates at peak efficiency. Featuring high-efficiency, energy-saving designs, our compressors not only significantly reduce energy consumption, but also minimize environment impact, aligning with sustainable industrial practices. From manufacturing to energy sectors, from construction to transportation, Divine Tiger Air Compressors are omnipresent. Their exceptional adaptability and unwavering reliability have earned widespread trust and calling from countless customers across industries. Choosing Divine Tiger Air Compressor means choosing a source of highly efficient and ultra-stable power. Divine Tiger Compressors aim to forge a brand embodying the craftsmanship spirit of a great nation and create a world-class enterprise.